All right, my next item is a reusable silicone storage bag. So instead of using your everyday sandwich bags where you just use them and throw them away, or you might use them for a couple days and throw them away, this is a BPA plastic free silicone bag. I already have a few of these. They are, like I said, plastic free. The cardboard around it is recyclable. I bought mine previously from Old Navy. We're actually in the clearance section for a couple dollars a bag. So personally, I think that's gonna save me money in the long run. But just looking at this bag, it's got nice. It's meant to kind of take the camera out. It's meant to kind of stand up on its own. So that's one thing that's great about the bag. It does have the zipper on top to seal it. So sealing that, you squeeze it together, you don't have any air coming out. Again, I think these bags are great. This one does advertise that you can cook in it, you can freeze in it, and you can store it. So that's awesome. It's good in the oven up to 400 degrees. Lock-in stovetop flavor, so you could throw something in and boil it. So that's even better. Dishwasher safe. That's one thing I like about it. I throw it on the top shelf of the dishwasher, clean them, and then I just lay them out to dry because they don't really dry in the dishwasher. Again, it's reusable, BPA free, no BPSs, and compliance with FDA. So I think this is a great item. Going on to my next item. This was a free item I did receive. It's a glass spray bottle, 16 ounce with a silicone sleeve on it. Kind of look at this. This is a bottle that you can just refill and use. You don't have to worry about throwing away your Windex bottle. It's already measured out 16 ounces. It has the silicone on the bottom to keep it sturdy and not from slipping on the counter. It is refillable. So a lot of companies that sell refillable cleaning supplies are based on a 16 ounce bottle. So this would be great to fill up with water, drop your tablet of cleaning supply in, and reuse a spray bottle. I think it'd be nice to get a little label on it to put on it so I know what's in it. This is a great item.